I'm gonna say this. I wanna like South Africa. The issue, I'm a foreigner. They trivialize it. Abo woke, Pan-Africanists, clever blacks. That's why, you know, there's no necklace to dealing into so. Those who spoke against us when we were progressive, those who were taking us back. Manje I say in necklace of it. I'm just reminded of a time, 1985, this time being the 22nd of December, 2025, 1985. I was in jail, detained for COSAS activities. And I was released on a Christmas Eve. This time, we didn't march. We didn't sing in the streets like headless chickens. It's okay to create an awareness, but you're never gonna solve anything by posting on Twitter, writing, commenting. Ishama foreign, we are being replaced real time, Baba. In real time. The globalists, the multinationals, they want to see Silk Roads open border policy where they can exploit the rest of the continent, and therefore South Africa must disappear, MAP, because everyone comes here. And the politicians, they promise you things, manifesto, elections, they're never gonna do shit though, because the foreigners are coming and taking those things. Housing, we don't have a problem in housing now. If you can check all the townhouses, flats, all our cities, 9 provinces, South Africans have been reduced, squashed into townships. Nakwana Pakistan, they're taking over. Zimbabweans, Mozambicans, Nigerians conquered the city life. Izindlu ezazisebenza ogogo bethu bebizwa ngabo girl, abo garden boy. Today, the proceeds of those zwele ezandleni zamakwerekwere. Your politicians baloku bathi will create jobs mapi because athatha amakwerekwere ibhedlela. Mabathi children born Christmas Day, out of 100, 2 are South Africans. We are being replaced. I mean, I want to share it. Once you've been fucked by a foreigner, South African, I no longer take you seriously. A woman, last number, and no longer take you serious. When you're fucked by Mbunjumbura, Togolese, Tanzania, Congo, I don't take you serious. You can scream and shout and say you're the princess, you're the prize. The prize of what? The prize of what? What is it that you bring that is so decent? Because you've been impurified. Your foreigners, they're taking over everything. Infrastructure destruction, crime, drugs, prostitution, illegal mining. These mines, South Africans were supposed to mine there, small scale. Herman Mashaba, look about to document all of them, because Herman Mashaba is a foreigner. His father is from Mozambique. Paul Mashatile, Paul Mashatile. These guys, but look about this country was built by foreigners. There is no Joburg citizen. There is no someone from Gauteng. You all came from somewhere. South Africans didn't want to work the land that they used to own after the land was taken away from them. The discovery of gold propelled the British Empire to bring in labor from, neighboring countries, Botswana land, Lesotho, Rhodesia, South Rhodesia, North Rhodesia, go Congo, Mozambique, India, people to come and work in the sugar canes, the sugar fields, because South Africans refused. They say, we cannot be employees in a land that we used to own. They brought these ones as amakundwane, as replacement labor, as traitors. Foreigners, they came in here as traitors, not because they volunteered and said, let us go build South Africa. No, they came in here as traitors. Replacement labor, we are on strike. They bring them, they work, they replace us. The same thing that they are doing here today. They are taking all these jobs, and white people are employing them. White people who've been expelled in Kenya during the Mau Mau. They're employing them here. Nigerians, they brag and they say we did away with white people in our country. And then they follow white people here in Cape Town, all over. Zimbabweans in the 80s, 70s, killed white people. In the Y2K, 2001, they expelled them. They follow them here again. And white people employ them. In Mozambique, Portuguese were expelled. They came in here. Mozambicans, they expelled Portuguese. Portuguese came in here in the 70s like dogs. Our fathers, they used to give them bread. For the first time, black people were giving white people bread. They've been expelled in Mozambique. They came in as beggars. They were lifted up their standard, given opportunities. Italian prisoners of wars, Greeks, some they came in here. But they employed the very same people to expel them that side. And they are killed in the farms. They say it's black people killing them. Black people have never killed white people during apartheid. It's your foreigners, your cheap labor. They rape the missus, they take the baki, they kill Opa, they kill Oma. Huh? And then you say it's blacks. Blacks are not the same. We are not the same as these guys. These are animals for Nigeria. They eat each other. They kill each other. They rape babies. They chop babies' hands. They kill albinos. We are not the same as these guys. These are animals. And then Abonko says on a Zoom about Zuma must shut up. Thabo Mbeki must shut up. Mmusi Maimane must shut up. Helen Zille must shut up. Julius Malema must shut up. But you know, you can't call them illegal foreigners. You must come here if you've got scarce skills. Many of these guys, they're overpowering us. Guma universities, employing each other. If you employ one Zimbabweans, before you know it, South Africans have been expelled. You got all Zimbabweans. Guma universities, they're raping our children for a pass mark. They are feeding Afrikaner kids, Nigerians, drugs for sex, taking their houses. They kill Umefro, Oma, Mejefro, whoever. The last of the dying breed of white poor. In Roodepoort, the CBDs, Benoni, Germiston. And then they give these young ones drugs. These young boys drugs. And then they expel them. They take the houses. Go Kempton Park, east of Joburg, Kensington. It's them. Those houses should be accommodating. I want to buy it. And then you're woke, you're Pan-Africanist. Yeah? Ele prate fiel. Ele prate fiel. Ayikho into ezolunga la mansa matsha. Yabona botutula bayamatsha bahambe. Who's living? Getting McKenzie, shut up. Shut up. You're an ice boy. You were an ice boy ka Cyril Ramaphosa because of money. Actually, you're an ice boy uqala ka Zuma. And then Cyril Ramaphosa. It's not good. We are not multimillionaires because you are stupid. It is easy to be a traitor. Bakhona abanye Soweto. We know what politicians today they're supporting the ANC. Today, bazokutshela ukuthi hayi there's no foreigner in Africa. They were leading. Go to Tula, go Soweto Parliament. Today, but there's no foreigner in Africa because they've been given monies. They've been bought. They've taken brown envelopes. I mean, I'm consistent. I'm consistent as Ike. As consistent as Ike. So Thabo Mbeki must shut up. He failed on all economic policies. Did we struggle so that we get a person like Zanele Mbeki? Empower Uzanele, Abu Machozo, Abu Trevor Manuel, PEE. Thabo Mbeki is a flop. He's a failure. He's talking for our interest work. Lego Zimbabwe, all over Africa. Go Jacob Zuma lapaya. Nkosazana Zuma, shut up. Jacob Zuma must shut up. Herman Mashaba, which document all of them. If they are here, 50 million of them, we must document them. The problem is not documentation. Even if you can document the whole continent, the question is they shouldn't be here unless they're adding scarce skills. And the scarce skill, what is scarce skill that they have that we don't have? They're talking for their business interest, or influencers, musicians, kwaito stars. Amapiano, they want to sing in Nigeria. They've been pirated there. Your motivational speakers. Above us, the motivational speakers, they want to talk in Nigeria, talk in Dubai. I mean, we trade in Germany. Do you see the poor of Germany here? We trade in Japan. Do you see the poor of Japan here? I love to welcome Japanese women. These guys is men. Cameroon, it's men. Pakistan, it's men coming here. Bangladesh, poor guys. And the South African women, they open legs. For ikrekahamba bafethu. I'm fit. As a guy, I'm fit. Be good no magliyo but hamba wena. Lento edliwa amakwerekwere. Today they are proud. Ukuthi Ekwerekwere has fucked you. And then Uzagim, Uzenzu Michael Jackson, Uzagim. And then they're fucked by these gorillas. And when they come to us, they place the price so high. You, Wafet. South Africa is dying. Marching won't help you. Going to courts. Our constitution is fucked up. It allows all these building hijackings. These guys are doing human trafficking. Who's my politicians who thought you must legislate and legalize prostitution. Then you may as well legalize crime. Politicians must solve the causes, the causal link, making people to be prostitutes. No one volunteers to become a prostitute. A 5-year-old saying, I want to be a prostitute. Would you be happy when if your child become a prostitute? It's because of poverty. You've been kidnapped, human trafficked, drugs. When you become a prostitute, you are dead inside. There is no woman who can allow 1,000 dicks unless she's dead inside. That's what they are pushing for, a satanism. You may as well say, you know what, like they tried in Gauteng some time ago, legalize drug use, because they use the same argument they use for prostitution. They will be checked by doctors. We can, generate revenue at least, there will be, spin-offs, a crime. But, prostitution, you must have doctors checking them, with clean and all that. You want to legitimize pimps. You're pimping South Africans to foreigners. This country is gone, Buffett. It's gone. They've sold it to the lowest bidder. They've sold South Africa to the lowest bidder. To the globalists. Multinationals. Oh, Julius Malema. Julius Malema must shut up. Minions, you haven't seen. This guy, he's a sellout. If Julius Malema was alive in the 80s, we would have necklaced him. Herman Mashaba, Mmusi Maimane, Helen Zille, Jacob Zuma, Cyril Ramaphosa, Thabo Mbeki, all of them in parliament, they are there to sell you out. And then, Fetu, do you think when you can march? And marching, it's a waste of time. You march, you're in a proposal or petition, they don't answer you, they ignore you. Are you going to march again? You want to shut down, you apply for a petition. From the very same person you want to shut down. And South Africans. And if you don't tell him, so which way? Bafuna ukuthola yimi ukuthi bakhuzi up. Thina ngama-80s mfethu. Hayi, consumer boycott, rent boycott, sanctions azikhwelwa, stayaways. Beshama boycott thina. Besabalaza sibamba ama-target. We knew ama-enemy ukuthi abobani. Mina politicians, to me, they are my enemies. The system is always the enemy. The system is always the enemy. I'm telling you that. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You know what to do. Other nationalities, they know what to do. They know who not to support good business. They know where to spend their monies. You'll never betray Jewish people and gain from them. Even a vote, even a cent. Tina, we support the very same people who are oppressing us. I mean, I'm finna fuck all. These guys, they brought AIDS in South Africa, your politicians from exile. They brought AIDS. They were fucking young girls. They created the slave queen culture in the nightclubs, stealing tenders. Who can give you 50,000 for the fuck of it? It's live. Many of them, they are on PrEP, ARVs, not even PrEP, ARVs. Start getting PrEP if you're a prostitute. These guys, they're spreading AIDS, they're spreading corruption. And your pastors are quiet because you've got gay pastors who've been fucked on your palms. These politicians must shut up. Mmusi Maimane must shut up. Look about document all of them. I heard good there's a fool running for mayorship at Joburg, a Mozambican. Anyone and everyone feels good can come to South Africa and Zintando yak. It doesn't mean we must have a free trade in Africa. Then the poor, the blind of Zimbabwe, they must come here. We should not liberate this country if it's liberated. For them to come here. They kill theirs and still gonna kill theirs. Like they've killed theirs who were preaching Pan-Africanism. But Thomas Sankara. Taking them out of power. Kwame Nkrumah, Julius Nyerere. Those who are preaching Pan-Africanism, they come here and say Pan-Africanism. No, it's not Pan-Africanism. We are being replaced. We are being replaced by thunderheads, animals. And then they will say Ike is a hater. No, I'm telling the truth. Your kids, you may think that you're okay now, but they want to replace you. Whether you're a lawyer, whether you're a doctor, your kids won't reap the benefit of this country. And the worst off, you're going to pay protection fee one day, like it's happening in the Western Cape. When you go to work, you're going to give somebody money, or else your house will be burnt, my boy. Whether you start a business, the ANC, they fucked up this country. Thabo Mbeki is saying, I don't know where it's heading, because he's instrumental in fucking up this country. Created privatization, he liberalized everything, they stole from Eskom, all the SOEs, Bosmat Gonyama, but that did not struggle to be poor. They did not struggle. We liberated them. In 1985, I was in a jail cell. Besenzi now we have. Oliver Tambo said, made this country ungovernable in London, in the comfort of London, secured by Margaret Thatcher and the Queen of England. They didn't know how to come here. CODESA sponsored by the Open Name. I've never voted, Mina. You cannot buy me, because I understood the CODESA consensus. When you say I must participate in the elections, I'm participating in the Rothschild project, the George Soros that we rejected. Manje abantu basekhaya angaboni ukuthi ungamatcha. Marching, it promotes, elevates the organizers, make them celebrities so that they can be captured by business, captured by politics, like it has happened ngabanye Soweto. Who's about to politicians this, they've been captured, given monies, running ama foundations. Bakhona abanye inside Dudula, inside Soweto Parliament, inside Put South Africa First. Nabanye basazovunduka la, go march and march, basazovunduka betraying. Basazovunduka naba bo MK. uZuma uthi akunamuntu ozohamba la. Did you ask uZuma thina ukuthi are you impregnate ama foreigner? Abodudu uZuma. These guys, they must shut up. Nkosazana Zuma, the lookalike ka Obasanjo, must shut up. Must shut up. We did not struggle, Tina. Nkosazana Zuma, they are rich. All of them. You listen to these guys. Abantu base South Africa abafuna ukutshelwa yimi ukuthi you can march and talk and post and whatever. Nothing is going to change. You impact no one. Unless, you get to a stage where you are hard fought. And when you are hard fought, it will show. It will show. What is the solution? I've given solutions. Many times. You want me to spell it out. Like they said 2001. Yeah, Ike is violent. Ike, yeah. The pen is mightier than the sword. Ye tatir milk getrenk. Ye loop twee reye spoor. Ye tatir milk getrenk. As I denk ukuthi, the pen is mightier than the sword. Ye is a povejan. Ye is a mumish. Ye is a mochu tot pitcom. Ye can next tune. Ye can next tune. As I denk ukuthi, a pen is mightier than the sword. Yes, captured. Your wife is gonna be raped. Fact. They are raping white people. White people, they don't say in like these influencers. All the criminals, the perpetrators spoke Zulu. Of course, Zimbabweans, they speak Zulu. Because you're running away from us saying, we told you so. All these influencers, they've been fucked. The security industry, taken by these guys, they've taken everything. Everything. They have taken everything. South Africans, they're doing dance challenges. They're worried about pirates and sundowns. They're going to take sundowns in the future. I'm a South Africans. South Africans. Yeah. And it's no slap tigers. South Africans, and it's no slap tigers. Clever. It's no ice boy. Sent to run around. Clever says there's no slap tigers. A slap tiger thina bowazi ukuthi mfethu uma uyibhari nemali yakho noma sesikhulile uyibhari thenga utshwala nje yabo uyibhari uma ufuna umntwana siyakutshela ngena kulo yeka lo bamba lo simtshele nomntwana ukuthi shayisa lo muntu cwela ibhari mfethu just like South Africa cwela ibhari mfethu cwela ibhari musicians amapiano they want to go sing in Nigeria nizwa ngabo Casper abo Malawi Casper is from Malawi kubo abantu base Malawi nizwa ngamakwerekwera country yethu Malawi a country dependent on donation since when mfethu sizwa ngabo mazweni hayi bafethu amajita sekasalele mfethu I don't blame women because baya no moya but mina if a South African woman has been fucked by a foreigner kufanele yonike opportunity noma ngezwe bathi mfethu the woman you're about to marry has been fucked by a Congolese, a Nigerian. I change, Baba. I change. Nyakafula ngithi pho mfundisi. Ajike lento. Esnowa POP. Ekanidi woman throw. Ekanidi slay queen throw. It's a slay queen the end. Nyabatshela families, please. We reconsider. Didenge esnowa POP. Mina ngeke mfethu. Amarinsa webhari. Amarinsa webhari. Fana noSkomota. uSkomota uyibody count 5,000. Mina kunebhari nje mfethu. Mabathisha umntwana. Paul Mashatile, Jacob Zuma, Thabo Mbeki, Julius Malema, Lamula. Uyazibona lezi zimpunga zonke mfethu. Awazi ukuthi zidliwa yini, zimpunga. Yabo, zimpunga mfethu. Mabathi mfethu isha umntwana ngisamfuni. Noma ngezwe kancane bathi kunomnye umntana nje bekancane ngizobathi uJolene noPaul Mashatile ngimncane bathi uJolene noJulius Malema ngimncane bathi uJolene noZuma ngimncane uJolene no bafethu hayi ngiphile ngeprep ngidli prep manje kumele udli prep njalo because awazi ukuthi mfethu leziya zibashaye live or kanjani leziya mfethu shawe ezinye nje mfethu nazo mawuthi uyazibheka ukuthi zakhona zigrey. Ntshontshe imali bafethu ni grand. You've got millions. Why are you grey? Why are you grey? If you've been stealing money. Why ungagezeli? Why umpunga? Mina bafethu. Ngiyakutshela. South Africans, keep on marching. You're gonna march. Wasting your shoes. Elevating your leaders so that they can be captured. It's not like they're saying, oh, there's 5,000 of them marching. Oh, we are scared. Let us leave. All these organizations about mabahambe. Uzwe mabakhuluma, we are working together with the law, with the police. All these people, they are making sure Uguti. Foreigners are here. The police are securing these guys. The law is making sure Uguti, these guys, they are here. They are not expelled. If we applied our law strictly, we are working with authorities. Authorities, they want them here. Imagine, bafethu, ngama 80s, we are working with the authorities, cooperation, to make sure that, Mandela is released. Imagine, lo msangano. Sithi no, siyasebenza nabo Lekhanje, nabo June, no Pick Porter, sisebenza together. That's collaboration. But again, so tool. I want to tell you what to do. When the student is ready, the master or the teacher will appear. But mina, msangano lo, okumacha, ncule, nokwenetiki botobotu. As I was saying, kunomunye mfethu, I'm not gonna make another sellout hero. I'm not. Let me go. Okay, from the gym.